Alright guys, you probably can't see anything, but national championship, day one. It's kind of weird, and it's, I told you this lake's creepy. It's super creepy when it's pitch black outside.
Here.
But,
I'm trying to give you some light.
Oh, they just blinding the camera.
Oh. Well, here, I'll come to the side.
That's right, they don't need to see my ugly face anyway. So, Erin here, she's gonna catch fish. And hopefully I'm gonna catch fish. And
is that a gator? Dude, this is creepy as hell.
It is. Anyway, hopefully we'll do something here. Gosh, it's like the longest minute of my life. Oh, I'm so jagged. 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. National championship. I can't see anything.
This is Joe Randall. Join me on my adventure to the Kayak Bass Fishing National Championships. We have some good days and we have some bad days. I hope you enjoy this video series and you're watching Shootfish Life.
There we go. There we go. He's probably not even big enough. No. I'm so dumb. That was at least a 12-inch squirrel bass. I'm so dumb. Let's boat flip him because he's tiny. It's okay. We got a first bite. I know where I got it, how I got it. It's good. It's good. There's gonna be some more over there. I just didn't think he was that big because he didn't feel like anything. And when I seen him, he looked small, and then once I lost him right there, pretty sure that was a squirrel fish. See if he's scored. Not even hooked. Holy crap. Good thing I used the net this time. Oh, wow. Damn it. Yeah, I really shouldn't have lost that other one. After catching that big one at Berryessa, I guess, I think fish are a lot smaller than they are. First time using the catch board. So this should be interesting. Yeah, 14.5. You guys probably can't see that big. He almost flipped out of the boat. Alright, let's put him on the donkey leash for a minute, because he's not cooperating. Alright guys, just a little 14.5. He's got a weird thing on his upper lip there, but man, I wish I wouldn't have boat flipped that other fish. But what's weird is I haven't done worth a crap pre-fishing, as you all know. But I feel more confident today as I make the dumbest cast in the world. Anyway, I feel more confident today than I have the other days, so let's do it. Oh no! Put it on the hook in. I knew that was going to be a tough one. No! Oh my god. Oh, why? Oh, I felt that one eat it. I felt him have it in his mouth. I had him on. Came out. Just didn't get a good hook set or something. Oh, it should have been number 4. So I should almost have a limit, but instead I got one fish. That's right, we're gonna keep positive mental attitude up, and just a day of fishing. I think that's my big problem during tournaments, is getting antsy and trying to rush and all that stuff. So, you know what? I'm just gonna hang out and fish. I think, again, it's the whole lake cypress trees, but I've tried a few other baits and a few other types of cypress trees, if that makes sense. And the only thing I've been able to get bites on and stuff is trees that got all these little, I think they're called knees, sticking out. All 4 bites have come off stuff like this, so hopefully if I can just keep ahead, I need to rip its face off. I need to not try to set it like a little girl or something, like it's a little Utah bass. But I mean, even just getting that bite and losing it sucks, but it helps boost my confidence a little bit, so we still got some time. No. I wasn't sure I had a fish that time, and I did. Still didn't set the hook worth a piss. This rod's just not heavy enough, I think. I used the heavier rod yesterday. Just not getting the power behind it. There's my limit. That felt like at least the same size, or if not a little bigger than the one I submitted. That's my limit right there. But I only got one fish to show for it. You know what else? It's alright. Because I caught 3 fish, bam, bam, bam in the morning doing this. I left. I'm back. And that's 2 bites fast. So if I can grind it out and keep this little pattern, but I'm almost out of the trees like this. That's the other problem. I mean, I guess I can just keep going back and forth after giving it a break. I think I got about 500 yards of stuff like this that I can remember. And then come back, I guess. He exploded on it when I went to pull it out of the water. So I just dropped it back down there and he ate it. Please be big enough. Sick. Just a little 13-inch here, but we found something. And I finally set the hook. That was my other problem. I was setting the hook like a wussy. That one, I mean, I kind of had to. I think I just needed to try to rip their face off, especially with this extra light rod. I don't know, but this rod caught my almost 10 pounder. It's that 13 fishing rod with the Piscafun reel, so. All right, let's see if that other one's in there. That's not a fish. That's a snag. That gave me a heart attack. Just need a few more bites here. Come on. Same thing I'm doing. Positive mental attitude. Beautiful place. I've had the bites. It's my fault. But one, I just overconfident and boat flipping because I thought it was small. And The other ones I'm not setting the hook like I should, I guess. Got at home, I rip them out of the water, so I tried to quit doing that, and now I need to rip them out of the water, and I don't. What? That was the smallest fish in the world, and my drag rip. That's alright, I don't know, it's probably not a good one, because I could feel it ticking. Well, my watch was yelling at me, so I looked at my watch, felt the tug on my line, and I went to feel if it was still there, and it was, set the hook and let it go at like the same time. I about fell out of my boat. Had to bite it. Can't seem to get him in the boat. Well guys, we got 5 minutes left of day 1 KBF National Championship. Just couldn't make it happen. Had the bites. I don't think they were good bites, but sounds like a limit would have been enough to be top 100 maybe. Oh well, still fun, still a cool time to be out here. My goal's still top half of the field so that's gonna be, whoa, I just cast it in the dock house. Well, I'm done. My goal's still gonna be top half, which that was my original goal, so if I can do that, I still feel satisfied. I'm here for an experience, and I'm getting it. I mean, this is cool. I don't know if I'll ever fish something like this again. And just wish it was better. Even if I got the same placing. You know what I mean? So, thanks guys for watching day 1 Shoot Fish Life's horrible tournament day. Still a good time. This is the most bites I've had the whole time been out here on Caddo. So we'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow. Maybe we'll find some different fish, and I don't think we're coming back here. So we'll see you guys later. I should have used the net. And all these other ones, I don't know why they're getting off other than I'm like lifting to fill the bite, or fill it, and then okay, the fish is there, reel down, okay, fish is there, and then go to set it, but I don't think I'm setting hard enough. I don't know. Hey, just think, tomorrow's all about fun now.